and why talking. So let's get started with the ingredients. So I have some water which I've kept for boiling, and into the water I'm gonna add in my sliced mushrooms. So while the mushroom is getting ready, let's get started with our soup. So I have kept 2 cups of water for boiling. So once it's starting to boil, I'll add in little ginger, cut long beans, and in goes my tomatoes, and goes my onion, and yes, there goes my cabbage. If you have lemongrass, please do add lemongrass also. It's gonna elevate the soup a little bit, but since I don't have, I'm not using it now. And to give it that spice, I added my green chilies. So I'm going to let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until all the vegetables have cooked. So let's close it and wait for the magic to happen. The soup has been simmering for 10 to 15 minutes now, and let's have a look. Wow, the vegetables have cooked. So let's put in our other ingredients. I add my sweet chili sauce, and now let's give it a good stir. In goes my mushrooms. You can also add cooked shrimp if you wish. Now to this, I add a little bit of fish sauce, but fish sauce is again optional. For those of you who don't like the smell or the taste, you can completely avoid it. A little bit of fish sauce, and then I put in my Kaffir lime leaves. I'm gonna just tear them apart with my fingers so the flavors remain intact, and I'm gonna let this simmer again for a minute or 2. I add a teaspoon of sugar just to cut through the spice. And now I add lemon juice. I've taken half a lemon here, but you can adjust the flavors as per your choice. I also add in my chopped coriander leaves. You can also add parsley. I'm going to add a little bit of salt as per taste. Let it simmer for some more time. So here my soup has been simmering for around 2 minutes now, and it smells delicious in here, and yes, it's ready to serve. And there, my thawing soup is ready. I hope you all liked my video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to receive